This is how Maria Papaioannou begins each day, playing music to her baby while she catches up on the latest news.
All this happened so fast in my third trimester.
At first, her husband was told once she's transferred to the postpartum unit, he would have to leave the hospital. Now he's been told he can stay, but all the uncertainty is adding to the stress Papaioannou is already feeling. She's had some complications and will be having a C-section.
It's not easy to recover from a delivery and take care of a newborn. And what scares me the most, what gives me the most anxiety at night, is the fact that this could change once again and might be even more drastic, where they say, well, that's it, no visitors allowed whatsoever.
Some New York hospitals banned all support people during labor and delivery until the state forced them to reverse that decision. The World Health Organization is recommending one support person be allowed to be present, and that's what most Canadian hospitals are doing. Still, fear that could change and fear of hospitals in general is creating a spike in requests for home births.
They want to stay in that environment that feels to them sort of cocooned and protective, and they know.
But Nova Scotia has suspended home births to help prevent the spread of the virus. This midwife is opposed to that. She says with planning, home births are safe for low-risk deliveries.
We want that decision to be made in a way that people feel really comfortable with it and not out of fear.
This obstetrician agrees and says while COVID-19 is new, so far available research doesn't suggest pregnant women are particularly vulnerable.
With H1N1, we had really good data right from the outset that pregnant women were doing poorly when they became infected. We're not seeing that right now.
Maria Papaioannou is trying to focus on the positives.
As soon as I see her, I think that everything will just kind of blur out, and whatever I've gone through will kind of be a lost memory.
At the very least, she says, it'll make quite a story to tell her baby someday. Kayla Hounsell, CBC News, Halifax.